the job everyone glorifies, but is actually pretty meh? I was a flight attendant for a few years, and it was not what I expected. I thought it would be glamorous, traveling to exotic places and staying in fancy hotels, but the reality was very different. The pay was low, and the hours were long and unpredictable. I often had to work on holidays and weekends, and I never knew my schedule more than a few days in advance. The destinations were not always exciting either. I mostly flew to the same cities over and over again, and sometimes I didn't even have time to leave the airport. The hotels were usually cheap and far from anything interesting. The job itself was also stressful and exhausting. I had to deal with rude and demanding passengers, crying babies, drunk people, and sometimes even emergencies. I had to be on my feet for hours, serving drinks and snacks, cleaning up messes, and making sure everyone was safe and comfortable. I also had to follow strict rules and regulations and pass regular tests and inspections. The only perks were the free or discounted flights, but even those were hard to use because of the standby system. I often had to wait for hours or days to get a seat, and sometimes I didn't get one at all. I also had to pay for taxes and fees, which added up quickly. I quit after 3 years and found a more stable and rewarding job on the ground.